Bounce again. Single beam run. And it's time for a super over. Oh, we wished for a super over. We got a super over. We got the same thing 2 days ago when Bangladesh A beat India A. Ladies and gentlemen,
with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm, Ripon Mondol, a lot of players. Good to see Habibur Rahman Sohan with the pads on. It's a good decision in the end, I must say.
Yeah, he has been somebody who's struck big in this tournament, and he looks good, looks threatening. Crossboard against the pacers, against the spinners. I think he'll have to contend with Ahmed Danial, who is well warmed up, has just delivered a wonderful spell.
and deep square leg. Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings
A point and it bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going to so forward as the follow.
He has
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Ghazi Gori got an hand, but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the.
He has had a tough time in the last two games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Ghazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the fourth or stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a full.
He has had a tough time in the last two games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Ghazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the fourth or stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a full.
Jishan Alam must have thought that maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over, that 6 balls. 6 already on the board, Bangladesh.
Right and left hand combination.
Yes, I wouldn't mind that.
They be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has
Point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much.
got balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh should be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just one hit away.
Into reverse swing was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speed stroke. Direct hit would have had him. His excellent cricket. That was excellent. But full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shines are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.